Hey, my name is Saad. You didn't arrive here by chance. Something wise, call it spirit or intuition, guided you here because it knows that it's your time to rise and transform. I'm inviting you to hit reset with my free meditation challenge. In these guided sessions, you will tap into a clear connection with Source or higher power. You will harness the law of attraction to call in the life that you actually want to live. You will master your emotions instead of being mastered by them. You will train your mind to pivot away from negative loops. You will melt stored tension and quiet anxiety on demand, and you will drift into deeper, more restorative sleep each night. These are the exact practices that sparked my spiritual breakthroughs and continue to fuel my daily transformation. And that's why I created this course for you, so that you can also have a shift. Whether you're brand new to meditation or are ready to deepen an existing practice, you'll find the guidance to be friendly, practical, and immediately usable. What you'll receive are multiple audio recordings. You download them once and you own them for life. There are 0 subscriptions, no buffering, and no ads. It's just pure, uninterrupted practice. If some part of you just whispered yes, then honor it and begin this transformational chapter in your life. I look forward to being on this journey with you. Go ahead and download this free course.